Hi! In front of me is Huawei MatePad SE, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down right away. Now click on About Tablet at the bottom. After that, click on Device Name section and type in wherever you wish to. When you're ready, save your changes by clicking on OK. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my Huawei has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!